Hi guys, I'm eager to share some important information with you. After prayerful consideration in September of 2019, we began working with Brown Church Development to determine if we are accomplishing our mission to be disciples who make disciples. Their assessment determined that as a church, we are above average in organizational health, according to 8 key characteristics of growing churches. We are also in good shape financially and strategically, possessing a stable financial base and a level of giving that is higher than the national average. However, their assessment also revealed that our overall facility is between 25 and 45% undersized to meet our ministry needs, resulting in a score of D and allowing no room for growth. Through this process, we considered many designs, reworking them over and over to find some solutions to those problems. We have developed a design that we believe will right-size our facility and position us for future growth. We do not want to move ahead with any building project until we determine if you, the members of our congregation, are on board. To that end, we would like to use the next year as an exploratory period to assess support from the congregation, while also fundraising a minimum of 1/3 of the project total before moving forward. Here are the 3 problem areas we want to focus on and fix.
First, our Calvary Kids area is undersized, unsecured, and dispersed throughout the building, and without dedicated restrooms. With our new design, the Calvary Kids will now be a secure area with a centralized check-in and exclusive restrooms for children.
Next, our fellowship area does not accommodate the needs of our current church size, which greatly hampers our ability to gather and connect in both formal and informal ways. Our designs include a central entrance and a greatly expanded lobby that will improve wayfinding and provide an area for fellowship between services. As a bonus, this area will also double as an open gathering space for more formal events.
Lastly, our pastors and administrative staff are sharing offices which are spread throughout the building and are using spaces such as storage closets not designed to be used as offices. The expansion of our administration area will allow for the right number of offices to be located in one area.
We hope you will join with us in prayer over our plan to right-size our facility, and if you are led, to partner with us financially by making designated offerings toward this project. You can give to this project online at cheyenne.church/give or by using our specific building fund envelopes. We look forward to all God has in store for Calvary Chapel Cheyenne as we continue to faithfully follow Him.